Friends, let us discuss the concept of class 9th, chapter 12th, Heron's formula. Yes, what is Heron's formula? Which is used to find the area of plane figures. Plane figures like triangle, quadrilateral, trapezium, any shape. Yes, before introducing Heron's formula, I want to tell about the difference between perimeter and area. Yes, perimeter means length of its all boundaries. Like this figure is given to you, whenever you have to find its perimeter, then you will measure these sides. Means outer boundary you will add. Here if you have to find the figure n, yes, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you will not add in this. Why? Because this is not in outer form. Only outer boundary you will include in perimeter. Area. Area is a measure of surface enclosed by its sides. Like any type of figure is given, what is surface enclosed by its side, this is known as area. Clear? Next is Heron's formula is used for finding the areas. Yes, firstly I am telling about triangle. Triangle is three-sided closed figure. It is divided into two parts. Firstly on the basis of sides, second on the basis of angles. Sides means when all the sides are equal, all the side mean three sides of triangle are equal, this is equilateral triangle. When two sides are equal, this is isosceles. When all sides are different, this is Skeleton triangle. On the basis of angle, first is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. Acute angle triangle is that in which all the angles of triangle, how many angles can be in triangle? 3. But in acute all angles must be less than 90. In obtuse angle triangle in which one angle must be greater than 90. In acute you want all angle less than 90, and obtuse angle triangle in which one angle is greater than 90, means 91, 92 can be there. Yes, now area. Area for finding equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side square by direct. If a figure is given, this is equilateral triangle, then put the side and find the area. Root 3 by 4 side square. When area you have to find right angle triangle, then formula is half into base into height. Base you know, this is your base, this is your height, and this is known as hypotenuse. Next, except these two triangles, when you have given any other triangle like Skeleton triangle or any quadrilateral, any figure is given that you have no direct formula, then you can use this formula that is known as Heron formula. Now, firstly I am telling what is Heron formula for finding area of triangle. This is mainly based on triangle. With the help of triangle you can find the other areas. I will show. Area of triangle is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under square root. Now you are thinking what is S? S is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means sum of all sides divided by 2, where A, B and C are the sides of given triangle. Yes, now we are discussing on the base of this question is here. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. You have to find the area of triangle. So according to this I have taken to any side. A is 15, you can take, B is 11, C is 6. Order doesn't matter, you can take to anyone. So after that we will find firstly S because it is helpful here. So S is equal to, we are putting divide by 2 and I got 16. Now I am putting in this formula. Yes, I put 16 minus 15, 16 minus 11, 16 minus 6. Firstly you know in BODMAS you will usually open their brackets. then 16 can be written as, then break it into prime factors. Here also, this also. Then you will try to make its pairs. 2 is not making pair, so it will remain inside. Others are making, so take it out. 1 2 came from here, 1 here, 2 2s are 4, 1 here, 20, 4 5s are 20. Root 2 is not making pair, it will remain under square root only. Area is here, you will write meter square, unit is meter. I hope you are getting. Next, find the perimeter and area of triangle whose sides are 20, 30 and 40 centimeter are given. Means you have to find area also, perimeter also. Sides are given. You know perimeter is sum of all sides. Then I added. Yes, you got 90. Now you know you have to find area also. Area is dependent on S. S is your semi-perimeter. Perimeter divided by 2. This is 45. Then I put in the formula. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 45, then I split all the sides, you got this. After that I am making the prime factors. By splitting it, you will see कि 3 and 5 is not making pair with anyone, so it will remain inside. From the pairs, they came out of the square root, and you multiply 3 into 5 into 5, 75 root 15 centimeter square. So next question is, sides of triangle are in the ratio of 12:17:25 and its perimeter is given, find its area. Listen one thing, you have to find area. Sides are given but in form of ratio and perimeter is also given. When you have given the sides in form of ratio, you will take with them x. So let A is equal to 12x, B is 17x, C is your 25x. So perimeter is, you know, sum of all sides. I put A plus B plus perimeter, I put sides also I put here. Then I solved it, will become 54x. 54 I divide, you got x. After getting x, you will put in sides. I also put in this manner, you will get A, B, C, means sides of triangle. Then S is your what? A plus B plus C upon 2. I put and divide by 2 and I am getting 270. Yes, then I am putting in the formula of area. That is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S you got, sides you got. Then you will put here and you will split into prime factors. But I know कि 150 can also be broken into 30 into 5. So that's why I have broken into 30 into 9. Because 30 is making pair with 30. Similarly here I have made pair with 20 into 5. 20 is already there. In this manner I got the pairs. But 9 you can see 3 square. Square will cancel with the root. You can say this is 3 square. So in this manner I got 3. You got 9000 centimeter square. So next question is, find the area of regular hexagon. Regular hexagon is that figure where all the 6 sides are equal. Hexagon means 6-sided figure. Regular means whose all sides are equal and side is given to you 4. So I firstly make the hexagon and I gave the dimension 4 4 4 that is given, and you will see ki how many equilateral triangle you will get. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 into area of equilateral triangle, you know 6 will remain same, is equal to area of equilateral triangle. What is the side of triangle is 4. So I put here and solved it. You are getting 24 root 3. Means hexagon's area equal to 6 times area of equilateral triangle. You know the formula of equilateral triangle. Also you know the side. I put here and find the answer. Next question is, area of equilateral triangle is 81 root 3 centimeter square. Find its height. From this you got what is the area of equilateral triangle. This is root 3 by 4 side square. Then you will put that is given to you. Root 3 will cancel. Side square remains same. 4 will go into that side, means division will become your product. It can be written as 9 square and this to 2 square. 9 into 2, 18 whole square we can say. Square will cancel, side is equal to 18 centimeter. If you are not getting, then you can do in this manner also. Side is equal to root. Square will become root and you will split here. It will become 9 into 9 and 2 into 2. From the pairs you will take a single term outside. 9 to the 18. I hope you are getting what I want to say. Means so many alternatives for solving. Next question is, so now you have to find height also. Question is not completed. You have to find height. You know area of right angle triangle is half into base into height. Area you already know. Then half into base is what? Base is your 18. Height you have to find. Then you will get 9 as a cutting, cancel. Then you will divide it. You are getting h is your 9 root 3 centimeter. So your next question is, whenever you have to give the figure in form of four-sided, then how will you find the area by using Heron formula? So I will divide the quadrilateral by using diagonal. Will divide it into two triangles. So I can say कि area of quadrilateral ABCD can be evaluated by area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. You can find the areas of both by Heron formula, then sum up. Let us discuss one example. A park in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD where angle B is 90 degree. AB is 9, BC is 40, CD is 28, AD is 15. How much area does it occupy? Means you know कि shape is ABCD, quadrilateral is there. You will take AB is 9, BC is 40. Listen very carefully. AB I have taken in straight manner. Why? Because angle B is your 90 degree. BC 40, CD is given 28, DA is 15. And AD is also given to you. AC is also given, that is you can. This is not given, you have to find. Four sides are given, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and angle is given. Yes, now you can find the area of ABCD plus area of ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Yes, I have taken it first. Now you know this is area of triangle ABC, but this type of figure is right angle triangle. So you can use half into base into height. Because two sides you have, third side you don't have, you can't put Heron formula. If you have to find using Heron, then you must have three-sided. But half into base into height, by using you have now ABC is areas 180 meters square. Now you have to find the area of triangle ACD, but you have not this side. So firstly find this side by using Pythagoras theorem. You know this is your hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. I put the values. After that I got 1681 under square root. Square will become under square root. This is 41 squares. So you got AC is 41. I put here. Now easily you can find the area of triangle by Heron formula. Let us take this is your A, B and C. Firstly you will find S, A plus B plus C upon 2 and you are finding this is your S. Then area you will put in the given formula. Then you will make its pairs into prime factors. You are getting 126 meters square. Now you have both the areas. Firstly you got 180. Now 126. Both you will put in first. You will find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. I hope you are getting. Last example is a rhombus shaped field has green grass, 18 cows, 2 graze. मतलब क्या है कि एक रोम्बस शेप का फील्ड है जिसमें ग्रीन ग्रास है, उसमें 18 काउस को हम ग्रेज करवा सकते हैं. इफ़ ईच साइड ऑफ रोम्बस इज 30 मीटर, यू नो रोम्बस इज व्हाट, वेयर ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल and its longer diagonal is 48 meter. Rhombus one diagonal is given to you 48. How much area of grass field with each cow be getting? Firstly, what is given means you have all the sides and diagonal, and you know one thing more, two sides are equal and one is 48 and you are getting two triangles. If you are able to find one area of triangle, then you can add up 2 times. Why? Because both are having same area. Then, and you one thing more also, 18 cows can graze this area, but you have to find the area of each cow. So after finding area, you will divide by 18 to find each cow's area. So firstly we are doing area of triangle ABD. Formula is this: as you know, a plus b plus c upon 2. 108 upon 2 is equal to 54. Then I am putting here in formula. Then after making its prime factors, then you will get all are making pairs 432. But you know कि both are having same area, so I added 2 times. You got 864 meter square area of rhombus. But you have to find the area of field grazed by 1 cow, but this is the area of 18 cows area. Divide by 18, you will get this is 48 meter square which is grazed by 1 cow. I hope you got this concept. Have a nice day.